If you wish to transfer data to a new iPhone from your iPhone 17e, then in that case, of course, you can use the quick setup option that is available during the first configuration. Of course, I'm talking about the quick setup on your new iPhone. But if you don't have your new iPhone ready yet, you cannot use it. You can still prepare your iPhone 17e to transfer data. In this case, you want to open settings and proceed to general. And then over here in the general, we're gonna scroll down and then you should be able to find transfer or reset iPhone. We're gonna go over here and then we have this message, prepare for a new iPhone. You can make sure that everything is ready to transfer to a new iPhone, even if you don't currently have enough iCloud storage to back up. So even if you don't have enough space on iCloud, you can still use this feature. Apple allows you to use more than you have, if that is the case, just to allow you to transfer everything you need to your new iPhone. So once you are ready, of course, tap on get started and then just go through all of these menu options that you will see on your phone. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.